Hello guys and welcome back. So now from this video onwards we will start adding our missions. So for adding the missions, first of all we need to create a UI for our missions. Okay, so in the player UI what we will do, we will add a panel. Okay, as you can see this is the panel. Let's click on scene view. Okay, this is the whole panel. Let's name this as mission or missions area. Okay, this will be the missions area. Let's now resize this, so let's move it right here, for example. Okay, we will make the size of it this smaller. Right here we will be showing the missions. Okay, so now we need to change the source image right here. So if we go inside GUI parts, okay, this is all of the GUI parts. For this we can use this name bar, so drag and drop the name bar in there. Okay, and right here we will be showing the mission text, okay, that which mission the player will perform. Okay, so let me actually resize this a little bit more. Okay, let's click the simulator. It is hiding right there. So what we can do is to set the React transform of it to top right side. Okay, and then change into scene view, and let's move this a little bit down below and then a little bit to the left side. Okay, and now as you can see it is looking good. Now inside this missions area let's add a UI text, actually legacy text, and right here we will be showing the objectives or the mission text. Actually let's name this as mission text. Okay, let's click on scene view again and let's size this accordingly to the mission panel like that. Okay, then after this right here we will be adding the mission text. So for now let's just name this as add mission text. Okay, let's select the font, then make it bold. The font size will be 40. Move it to the center and then down below, right like that. Okay, make the color of it as white, and let's actually increase the font size to 50 for example. Okay, so right here we will be showing the mission text that, for example, go visit that area or kill, or you can say fight with the knight or something like that. Okay, we will be showing the mission text right here. Okay, so now with this added, as you can see it looks really good like that. Now we can just simply disable this for now, and we will enable this by using some button like show missions or something like that. Okay, but for now we don't have that button, so we will leave this as it is, and in the next video we will be adding the missions.